got a big one, guys. Hopefully everyone had a good day. Everybody is safe. We have another special unboxing video. I'm not sure if it's Amazon. If it's Amazon, it'll be in the description. So definitely check them out. Hopefully everyone had a good day. Everybody is safe. This is coming from RezeFlow. RezeFlow. This is a smart Roman rod. It's going to be really cool for your bedroom or wherever you need to hang some blinds. So here we go. We're going to show you what it looks like and setup and everything else. Okay, now we're talking. Smart curtain rod. All you need and one rod. See? RezeFlow. Yo. This is the size they sent me. And like I said, we're going to hook it up. I think there's a solar panel attachment that I'm going to need, and it's coming tomorrow. But it'll be in the video, so don't worry about that. But if you don't see it right now, that's why. So it's coming. As you can see here, invisible motor, hub-free, direct connect, do-it-yourself, friendly installation. That's always a good thing. Works with Apple Home and Matter. I'm sure Play 2, Google, hopefully. Okay, now opening time. Okay, this ain't bad. I just gotta remove the styrofoam. Right now it's a good holding spot. So I could use my blackout curtains because something in my cross the street neighbor's parking lot, it has like super bright LEDs, and if I use white curtains, it comes through and I can't see. So this is the white bar. Oh yeah. So we got the boxes of goodies right here. Starting off first, important installation tools. Definitely gonna need those. And these are carrier arm, whatever that does. Curtain rings. Another set of curtain rings. Then we got, this is kind of heavy, wall mount brackets. Curtain spacer chain. Okay. And we got the power adapter. And we also have the plug adapter. Like I said, if you don't see the solar adapter, you know why. It's coming. I'll edit in the video probably right about now. Alright guys, here we go. We got it installed pretty easy. And then now, got the remote. Press this. Dun 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 dun. Now if you have Siri or Smart Hub, one of those things, you can use that for voice activation. And like I say, you can hook up the solar or use the remote. Right now it's just I'm running off the voltage. So boom. And this is the solar panel. But you can see right there, I tuck the wire in a little bit more. I screwed them pretty good on top, and it fits perfectly. So no issues here. See, I gotta run it differently, and everything's smooth. Definitely check them out. RezeFlow on Amazon. Have a good day.